Hi, this is Sirisha Kisara. My class ID is 14. So coming to the deep learning, icp5, we are doing the sentiment analysis on the Twitter data set using the basics of LSTM and RNN. So the first part of this is to save the model that is given in the source code and to predict the new text data using the saved model on this text. A lot of good things are happening. We are respected again throughout the world, and that's a great thing. And apply a grid search CV. Grid search CV is a technique on scikit-learn Python library, which it used to change the hyperparameters to give the more accurate performances, and using this will find which gives the best accuracy in our model. And the third part is applying the same source code on the spam data set available in the source code, and also to visualize the loss and accuracy on TensorBoard. Going to the code, this is the source code that is already provided, so we are importing the necessary libraries, tokenizer, path sequences, sequential model, and all these LSTM embedding, and also label encoder. So we are reading the sentiment.csv, and we are taking the data as text and sentiment that we have in the sentiment.csv file, and we are applying the tokenizer and vectorization on the words that we have, and we are taking the max features as 2000, and we are creating a model using LSTM, and finally we are evaluating the model and printing this code. Let me run this code. I've taken the icp5. So as you can see, the loss is 0.80 and the accuracy is 0.67. The first part is to save the model. So here we can use that using model.save. So I already saved this. I'm deleting this model that I already saved. So to refractor. So now you see no model here. So I'm running the code. So after saving the model, I'm taking a text and applying using this model. So I've loaded the model using load model into M. So using that model, I'm predicting the what is the sentiment analysis on this text. So it will print the maximum output. So let me run this code. So as you see, the maximum of the predicted is 0.69, which is positive. So the statement is positive. Here it is printing the argument, so which is 0. So we can do the sentimental analysis on this, and it says this is positive. So coming to the second part, to apply the grid search on the code, the above code will be the same till the model creation. So here the grid search, we can use that using the Keras classifier class. So using that we are initializing it and using the grid search CV method. So we are finding the what is the best fit for this model. So let me run this. So it gives the best parameters after doing the grid search. CV is uh, at epoch 2 with a batch size 32. So going to the third part, to apply the same source code on spam CSV, but the fields changes from V2 to V1. There in the source code it will be sentiment CSV to be test and sentiment analysis. So let me run this code. Okay, I'm again running this only, so I'm stopping, running the third part. So here the loss and accuracy is loss is 0.06 and accuracy is 98. So in the extra part is to visualize the loss and accuracy using TensorBoard. So here in the code I have used TensorBoard. As you can see here, TB TensorBoard, and I'm storing the logs in the logs directory here. So when I run the code, it has stored some logs. So let me run this in the TensorBoard. So this I need to activate TensorFlow, and now TensorBoard dir equals to, I need to give this path, copy path. So at this address we can check now. Here I'm preloading. As you can see, there are only 5 epochs. The accuracy graph value, how it varies from, and the loss. So the highest accuracy that we got is 0.76, like that. That's it. Thank you.